The suitcase is heavy. Light. The bag is light. Old. That castle is old. New. This building is new. Soft. The pillow is soft. Hard. This rock is hard. Fast. The cheetah is fast. Slow. The snail is slow. Long. This stick is long. Short. The stick is short. Full. The bucket is full. Empty. This bottle is empty. Beautiful. She is beautiful. Ugly. He is ugly. Fresh. The veggies are fresh. Stale. This bread is stale. Safe. That path is safe. Dangerous. This path is dangerous. Correct. This answer is correct. Incorrect. That answer is wrong. Wide. The road is wide. Narrow. This road is narrow. Modern. The city is modern. Ancient. This is ancient. Delightful. Her smile is nice. Gloomy. His face is sad. Messy. The room is messy. Neat. The kitchen is neat. Bright. The lamp is bright. Dull. The candle is dull. Energetic. The puppy is energetic. Lazy. The cat is lazy. Young. The boy is young. Old. The man is old. Sweet. The chocolate is sweet. Sour. The lemon is sour. Heavy. That rock is heavy. Light. This feather is light. Busy. She is busy at work. Free. He is free tonight. Up. She climbs up the hill. Down. He walks down the hill. Honest. The shopkeeper is honest. Deceptive. That seller is tricky. Cheerful. Her voice is cheerful. Gloomy. His mood is gloomy. Flexible. This cloth is flexible. Rigid. That rod is stiff. Curve. The river is curved. Straight. This road is straight. Clumsy. He is clumsy. Careful. She is careful. Simple. The recipe is simple. Complicated. This task is hard. Wet. The towel is wet. Dry. The towel is dry. Hot. The soup is hot. Cold. The ice cream is cold. Rude. He is rude. Polite. They are polite. Brave. The soldier is brave. Cowardly. The thief is cowardly. Full. The jar is full. Empty. The bottle is empty. Sturdy. The structure is sturdy. Weak. The bridge is weak. Bumpy. The road is bumpy. Smooth. The pathway is smooth. Flat. The surface is flat. Curve. The vase is curved. Healthy. The meal is healthy. Unhealthy. The snack is unhealthy. Quiet. The room is quiet. Noisy. The market is noisy. Generous. He is generous. Selfish. She is selfish. Clear. The sky is clear. Cloudy. The weather is cloudy. Bright. The headlights are bright. Dim. The candlelight is dim. Smooth. The fabric is smooth. Rough. The sandpaper is rough. Quick. His reflexes are quick. Slow. The response is slow. Wise. The elder is wise. Naive. The boy is naive. Hot. Coffee is hot. Cold. The water is cold. Big. The elephant is big. Tiny. The mouse is tiny. Polite. He is polite. Rude. He is rude. Wise. He is wise. Foolish. He is foolish. Feeble. The old woman is weak. Strong. The young man is strong. Smooth. The table is smooth. Rough. That rock is rough. Generous. She is generous. Stingy. He is stingy. Healthy. He is healthy. Sick. She is sick. Kind. My teacher is kind. Mean. He is mean. Shallow. The pond is shallow. Deep. The ocean is deep. Expensive. The ring is expensive. Cheap. This watch is cheap. Fresh. The flowers are fresh. Stale. The cookies are stale. Rich. The man is rich. Poor. The villager is poor. Attractive. She is pretty. Unattractive. He is not pretty. Big. The house is big. Small. Cottage is small. Pretty. She is pretty. Ugly. He is ugly. Strong. The wrestler is strong. Weak. The kitten is weak. Clean. The park is clean. Dirty. The street is dirty. Thin. The book is thin. Thick. This book is thick. Cool. The breeze is cool. Warm. The sun is warm. New. The car is new. Old. This van is old. Quiet. The library is quiet. Loud. The concert is loud. Clean. His shoes are clean. Dirty. Her shoes are dirty. Bitter. The medicine is bitter. Sweet. The candy is sweet. Tame. The cat is tame. Wild. The wolf is wild. Brave. The firefighter is brave. Cowardly. The thief is cowardly. Thick. The forest is thick. Thin. The forest is thin. Dry. The desert is dry. Wet. The jungle is wet. Whole. The mirror is whole. Broken. The glass is broken. Loyal. She is a loyal friend. Disloyal. He is disloyal. Awake. The baby is awake. Asleep. The child is asleep. Honest. He is honest. Dishonest. She is dishonest. Hopeful. He is hopeful. Hopeless. She feels hopeless. Alive. The tree is alive. Dead. The branch is dead. Bright. The room is bright. Dark. The basement is dark.